People think visuals always cost performance. That is why Aero died. This build proves that idea wrong. Full transparency, zero slowdown, cleaner system underneath. You're about to see Windows 11 Aero. That's way faster than stock Windows. 11 Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's get started. Let me walk you through what changes with Tiny 11 Aero Edition, step by step. Start with the Start menu. On stock Windows 11, you land on a crowded screen. Pinned apps you never asked for. Over 30 pre-installed apps. Most cannot be removed. It feels messy from the first second. Now switch to Tiny 11 Aero Edition. The Start menu is clean. No forced apps, no clutter. You see only what you choose to keep. Now check storage. A fresh Windows 11 install takes around 24 gigabytes before you install anything. A big part of that goes to background services, bundled features, and things you may never use. Tiny 11 Aero Edition takes a different route. The full system sits around 8 gigabytes, no bundled apps, no unnecessary files. Your storage stays free for actual work. Now memory usage. Stock Windows 11 uses about 2.6 gigabytes RAM on a 4 gigabyte system at idle. Even basic usage can push it into lag or instability. Tiny 11 Aero Edition starts around 1.5 gigabytes after setup. Want to reduce it further? Use Velotic. Open Velotic Pro. Go to Cleanup. Enable AI-managed cleaning. Within seconds, RAM drops close to 700 megabytes. That is real optimization. Velotic is built to improve speed, control, and stability without breaking your system. You sit down at your PC with a goal. It should be simple. Open, start, move fast. Instead, it hesitates. Loads pile up. Every click feels heavier than it should. Velotic fixes that at the root. This is not a surface-level cleanup tool. It takes control of how your system behaves. From the moment you run it, your PC responds the way it was meant to. Clean input, fast output. No friction, games run without random drops. Apps launch without delay. The system stays consistent, not just right after a cleanup, but every single day. Velotic watches how you use your machine and adjusts in real time. CPU and GPU tuning happens automatically. You get performance when you need it, stability when it counts. It removes clutter before it turns into slowdown. It shuts down background waste that drains your system. It keeps Windows intact while removing what holds it back. You gain access to over 500 proven tweaks. One action removes bloat. No guesswork. No risk. You install what you need instantly. No setup struggle. Storage pressure disappears. Safe compression frees space without touching your files. Everything stays intact. Your system runs lighter. This is not a quick fix. This is a long-term shift in how your PC performs. Built over years. Used daily by people who cannot afford slow systems. Improved with every update. Install it once. Performance stops being a problem. Velotic, built for people who expect speed. Now push it further. Turn your Windows 11 into Tiny 11 or Windows 10 into Tiny 10 with just one click. Open Velotic. Go to debloat. Press play on Tiny 11 or Tiny 10. One action. Full transformation. No data loss, no broken features. Same machine, completely different experience. Check the info section or the guide in the description if you want the full breakdown. You have already felt the frustration. This is the alternative. Now background activity. Stock Windows. 11 runs around 160 processes, 1,900 threads, 65,000 handles. Even when idle, the system stays busy. Tiny 11 Aero Edition runs around 88 processes, 1,400 threads, 33,000 handles. The system focuses on your work, not background load. You can reduce it further, but you will start losing useful features. Now, performance. On this system, stock Windows 11 scores 1,979, single core, 5,907 multi-core. It carries constant overhead. Now, Tiny 11 Aero Edition. Same hardware, different result. 2424 single core, 6568 multi-core cleaner system. Better output. Now Windows Defender. Everyone handles it differently. Tiny 11 gives you full control. Defender stays off by default. Nothing runs unless you enable it. To turn it on, open Configure. Go to Defender. Press Enable. That is it. Protection starts working instantly. Now updates. Updates are paused by default. Windows installs only critical security fixes automatically. If you want full updates, open Settings. Enable updates. You can disable them fully, but that can break the Microsoft Store. Leaving them as default is the best balance. Security updates stay active. Unnecessary changes stay out. Now the Microsoft Store. It works like standard Windows. Tiny 11 ships with no apps. You install only what you need. Open Store. Search the app. Press Get. It installs instantly. You can sign in with your Microsoft or Xbox account. Everything syncs normally. What you get is simple. A full Windows 11 experience with Aero visuals. No bloat. Lower storage use. Lower RAM usage. Better performance. No clutter. No hidden load. No surprises. If you want a system that stays fast and under your control, this is the right setup. You will find the install guide in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.